Well, it's slowing down a little, but we just had some major hail. And thunder and lightning. There's a bit of a rainbow. But it lasted all of like 15 minutes. And now it's going away. And there's the rainbow. Rainbow's coming out. Good. Wow. Oh, look at that. It goes... Oh, there's some lightning. Wonder if we'll hear it. Yep. Woohoo! Killer. I love storms. Wow. Still thundering. Cool. Scared the puppy though. He didn't like it. Poor baby. He's got his worried ears. That was a heck of a storm, huh, puppy? Wow. And come over here, and there's a blue sky. I love Oregon.